Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. I'm right here, CityWalk, Universal Orlando. I just found this Blumhouse, like attraction pop up here. Come on in, check it out. Roberta.
Yeah.
Let's check out this Blumhouse. It's a, what was it called? It's like
Blumhouse activation. It's like a promoting the Blumhouse.
So yeah, it's promoting their horror movies and their TV series.
Yeah.
Let's just have a look around here, guys, and see what it's all about. So this is getting set up now, and I guess it's going to be an like an interactive, kind of like an exhibit here. It's right here on CityWalk. Let me tell you something, Roberta's so excited about this, she's running around. Matt, we got to go see the front. We're going to see the front, but
I was trying to get the
QR code. Sorry with the loud music here, guys.
Actually, show the QR code if you want to sign up.
Yeah, let's, all right, you know what? When you're with Roberta, you got to do what Roberta says. I've learned this as a husband, guys. Here's the QR code. Let me zoom in on it.
Code, and yes, it is working.
Let me zoom in on it, guys. Let me zoom in on it. It does work. We tried it with Apple and Android. It works on both. That's about as good as I can get it, but you can zoom it some more on your phone if you want to check it out. It's called In the Van. I guess it gives you information about all the different, like hang on a minute. It's like a newsletter, Roberta? Is that what it is?
Yeah, you sign up for the newsletter, so. But it's cool. Like, I see like the black phone and Megan, it looks cool.
Roberta wants me to go this way. I was trying to show you the...
But in the back it looks the same as the front.
So it looks like you're going to have like photo ops. They're just setting this up. We just happen to be... You know, look at how slow it is, by the way.
Yeah, we came here to see how the park is.
We just figured we'd come on a whim. And look, oh, look, Roberta.
Yeah.
You can see some of the different Blumhouse productions in there.
Yeah, the
See,
Purge and all
I
that.
see Megan. Yeah, The Purge. So it looks like you'll be able to kind of go in there. It's got lights set up. Oh, here's the Roberta, the phone. The black phone, right?
Yeah. Oh, they even have a mannequin right now getting setting up.
Oh yeah, look at that. Let's go check that out. These guys actually, by the way, they're really awesome. They've been helping us like with the QR codes and stuff. They're really cool. So yeah, the 15 everywhere, which obviously I guess is 15-year anniversary. Would you say that's safe to assume? So Black Phone 2 in theaters October 17th. So you can see them setting up the mannequin. We'll have to come back actually, and we're gonna go in the park for a little while. I think we'll come back before we even end this vlog, as they look like they're setting up a bunch more stuff. Right here on Medling World, guys, please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Here's your first look at this Blumhouse Interactive. Might be one of the quickest vlogs ever made on Medling World. But yeah, that's what it's about. And obviously, I'm not sure when it's going to open. I would think probably by the weekend. It's Monday. This is a Monday recording of this, September 29th. So it looks like it'll be pretty cool when it's done. I'm going to come back. We're going to go in the park for a couple minutes, and then we'll end the vlog when we come back out here. But just a quick update here from CityWalk, just to show you what's going on here today. I will come back and show you again, but Roberta just talked to some of the guys setting it up. What did they say to you,
Actually,
Roberta?
very nice as well.
Oh, they're all really nice.
Yeah, that's what it is, activation. It's to promote their brand, but it's cool because then it's pretty much a photo shooting opportunity, photo ops, so that you can take a picture, and of course they're promoting their brand. So it is cool. It should be ready by tomorrow.
Oh, so by the time you're watching this vlog, well, you might be watching it still on Monday, the 29th, so the 30th. And don't forget, CityWalk, after well, no, it's Halloween Horror Nights, take that back. If you have an annual pass, it's free to park. If not, you may have to pay depending on the day with events. If there's no event, after 6 it's free to park at CityWalk. See what's going on. Where'd the mannequins go, Roberta? Oh, wait a minute. We came back. We're in the park. We came back. Oh, yeah, they're in there. Watch out. Watch out. Let me zoom in there a little bit. You can see them past that guy there. There's one. So you'll be able to do, like, selfies and stuff with them. See, there you have it, guys. A world record today. Quickest vlog ever on Medling World. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Once again, this will be Tuesday, the 30th Tentatively.
According to them.
And it's getting ready to pour rain.
Yeah.
So guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet, and last but not least, see ya!